guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am your coach Dipali and you are watching Health and Fitness Tips. So today we are going to talk about protein. I'll tell you my personal experience in this video, which protein I have been using and how it is impacting my body. So this is all about like how I consume protein for 6 months and got amazing result. Believe me, having protein or deciding when to start taking protein was the best decision I made in my weight loss journey. So first of all, I would like to tell which brand of protein I used. So I used Atom Whey protein. This is isolate Atom Whey protein by Asitis. So this is the newer version of protein that they recently launched. So it is Atom Isolate Whey Protein Gold. The good thing about this version of protein is in one serving it will give you 28 grams of protein, which is much more higher than any other brand. Yes, in just one scoop you will get 28 grams of protein, like one meal protein is gone. That is the amazing thing about it. That means the more the protein, the faster the recovery. Second thing, the BCAA level, which is like 6.1 gram, amazing for building up muscle, losing fat and building up strength. And EAA, which is amazing, 12.6, again which is very much required for the fast recovery and for faster muscle building. The next thing about it which I like is it has dietary fiber. Like it gives amazing result, like when you consume it, no or any kind of bloating you will have or your digestion will be improved. The taste is amazing. It is unadulterated, it is lab tested, GMP certified, two-step verification is also there just to check the authentication of product. The most important thing which I like about Atom is it gives you a very less calories. Yes, in just one scoop you will get 127 calories. That is amazing. And carbs, it is amazing, again very low, 1.5 gram of carb, nothing. And fat, 1 gram of fat, nothing. Like it is amazing if you are planning for a muscle building again and for fat loss, then this is amazing. You can have this alone in dinner only or post workout. It will work amazing, as I've been using it since a year and no problem at all. I have been gaining confidence as well as losing fat. No added sugar, rapid digestion and absorption as well. It easily mixes with water. So if you are planning to buy a protein powder, go for Atom, as it is isolated whey protein. It is amazing, it is purest form. So you can have it if you don't have any problem for lactose and anything, so you can have it. This is amazing. Atom Isolate Whey Protein Gold, because gold version has 28 grams of protein. So go for it for the better recovery. So if you have any question regarding which protein powder you must take to start your weight loss, then this is the right choice for you. Go for Atom by Asitis. It is favorite of Sonu Sood and Ravi Dharia. So thank you so much for watching. The link of the product will be in my description box. Go check it out. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.